Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing a 1-year review of this Lenovo earbuds. This is the HT38. So this is actually like more than a year. I have been using this for around 1.5 years now. I did the unboxing of this around a few months back. I'll put the link of that above. Go check that out. I've also done a detailed review of this. But today I wanted to update you about how it is running now. I have been constantly getting a lot of questions regarding this. So I just wanted to address all of these questions that you have been asking me on YouTube. So very small. I would say I really enjoy using this because of this size. For comparison purposes, this is the JBL 230 NC. As you can see, this is huge, this is bulky, and to carry it around, like, yeah, this is much more the Lenovo is much more convenient than carrying the JBL along with me. So now fully circular, I really like that. USB-C here and a small LED here. There are a few questions regarding the LED. I'll be coming to that. And a button here which indicates the charge level. Also, let me just take it out. It looks, I have to say, it looks really nice, inspired by the AirPods, and the red LEDs, it blinks when it is not paired, and the mics are here. So this has 13 mm drivers inside of this one, and each earbuds has 250 mAh batteries. So coming to the sound quality of this one, no bass at all. So if you're looking for bass, this is not for you. But I would say the sound of this is really clear. On a single charge, this will last you around 3 hours on this earbuds itself, and total along with this charging case, this will total, it will run for around 12 hours. And as I said, this has been more than a year. This is in 15 months now. On the charging front, this is totally fine. I am still getting around 3 hours from these earbuds itself, and with the charge around not 12 hours but around 10 hours of this. Now coming to the question part which I am getting. So when I put inside the buds, this turns green, so that means the buds inside are charging. But when I connect this with the charger itself, what happens is it turns red and it blinks. Now people ask me, this never turns green, why? So the thing is, this will never turn green when you're charging. So what happens is, as soon as you plug it in, this will start charging, this will blink, and when the it is completely charged, this blinking will stop and this will just be a red light. It will not turn to green. So many people get confused by that. Don't get confused. So that's the difference. Once the charging is done, it will just show you a red light, but once these are charging, this will show you a green light. Once the earbuds are completely charged, this will automatically turn off. So that's the main difference. Another question which many people ask me frequently in the comment section is how to reset this. So I will tell you how to reset this. So you see this button here. What you have to do is open the flap and press this button for 10 seconds. That's it. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this, your earbuds will be reset. Just connect it again, and hopefully most of your problems will go away, like connection problems and all those things. Of course, if one of the buds is bad, that this won't solve that. But yeah, you have asked me how to reset it. That is how you reset your earbuds. Now this does not have any app, so no apps to download in your phone. Just plug and play, connect it to your Bluetooth and listen to your music. Also, one problem with this is there is no voice prompt. So you are listening to this one, but the charge of this is going down, so there is no voice prompt. Like in other TWS earbuds, there is a voice that says, okay, charge is less, please recharge or something, but this does not have any automated voice messages in this one. So that's one problem. Also, no built-in voice assistant, Google Assistant or Siri. So yeah, that is another thing which you should know. Now, as I said, sound quality really good, crisp sound. I really enjoy listening to music or watching movies on this one. And again, not much bass, but overall I'll have to say, even after 1.5 years, I'm really enjoying using this. The plastic is not matte, the plastic is shiny. As you can see, it's a bit scruffed up now because I keep it in my pocket with keys and my coins and all those things. So I would say it held up pretty well. The writings are still there with Lenovo, and overall this is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and try to answer each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Goodbye.